What's up, everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amanda, back at it again with another video. And in today's video we are doing a first impressions video. So if you're looking for something like that, if you want some entertainment like that, so good, please do stay tuned for this video. So if you watched my previous video, why am I speaking so fast? If you watched my previous video, then you know I just took down some 3-week-old cornrows and my hair needs some help. It needs some prayer and it's been neglected, okay? But I thought instead of doing my regular detangling, let me try out a new product. And if you are present and very involved in the hair community on Instagram or on YouTube, I'm very sure that you know this product. This is the Moisture Miracle Pre Detangling Shampoo and Conditioner. I've had so many lovely and amazing reviews of this product from my relaxed hair girls on Instagram, mainly Coop. This is her product, like this okay, this is her product. All right, so I decided, let me try it out since everyone is trying out and everybody is liking it. The only pre-detangling shampoo I've ever used is the Tresemme, and if you saw that video, I will link it up here for you guys. I didn't like that product, okay? It made my hair pasty, okay? And I don't like my hair pasty. My hair don't like to be pasty. I don't like my hair pasty. So we're gonna be trying out this product today. I figured my hair is quite dry. It doesn't look as dry as I thought it was. So as you can see, my hair is not that dry, but I hope this product is just gonna make detangling that much easier, because detangling does take me a really long time. So what I'm gonna do is divide my hair into 4 sections as usual, and then we're going to go into the product lowdown and break down basically what this product says it does, what it promises, and all that information. So this product, it is called the Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangling and Conditioning Pre-Shampoo. Helps minimize breakage for natural coils and curls. I mean, if the hair grows out of my hair, it's natural, right? It says the aloe vera nourishes, conditions, and protects against breakage. The coconut water helps strengthen hair and restore moisture. It has no parabens, no minerals, no sulfates, and no petroleums in it. Directions of use. Before cleansing, apply a generous amount to dry hair. Distribute evenly. Use fingers to comb and detangle hair. Rinse thoroughly. For especially dry and tangled hair, leave on for 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Follow with the Moisture Miracle and Shine Shampoo. If you watched my previous video, then you know that's another shampoo that I do want to get. Currently, I do not have that shampoo, so I'm just going to show you guys me using this product for the very first time. So yeah, let's get into this video, okay? I can't open it. I can't open it.
1 hour later.
Oh, that smells really good. It's very, I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that? Okay. It's got this texture, like, it's a very gooey texture that it has. I'm making a mess. It's a very gooey texture and it smells amazing. That smells really good. It feels almost like a hair gel. That's what it feels like. It feels like a hair gel, but let's try that out. Let us use it on my hair. So they say generous amount, so I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna do this much, and then I'm gonna put it on just like that. Oh, I like that. Instantly, the slip is what people say it is. Instantly, before doing anything else, the slip. Like my hands, I don't know if you can see, are just sliding off. I'm gonna separate this into a smaller section and then pin that up. Okay, and then I'm going to apply that to the length of my hair. The slip is amazing. Like, the slip. That's all I can say. The slip is amazing. My hands are literally gliding through my hair. It gives me the Cream of Nature moisturizing shampoo vibes without my hair being wet. Basically, that's what it's giving me. The slip is just amazing. I'm actually gonna use my wide tooth comb because finger detangling to me just takes forever and I'm so lazy. So let me grab my wide tooth comb and then we comb through this hair and just see, you know, how it goes. But instantly the slip, guys, is freaking amazing. I'm gonna detangle like that, starting from the bottom, working my way up. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did the rest of my hair, and this is how it is looking. This side, did I say the rest of my hair? The rest of the half of my hair. I haven't done this side. So this side is now fully detangled and ready to be washed. That was a breeze. That was a breeze. This product is amazing. The slip that it gives, literally my hands were gliding through my hair. It does get a little bit tacky when it starts to dry, but it's still very, very moisturized, so your hair doesn't feel like it's snagging at the comb. I was able to comb right through my hair. If you saw those little clips, if you saw those videos, you saw I was able to comb right through my hair, okay? And my hair, I wasn't hearing snap, crackling, and popping. You know when your hair is snap, crackling, and popping when you're trying to detangle it and your heart is like... That's all my hair. I absolutely love this product. I see why people love this product. I see why people use it so much and recommend it so much. Is it worth the price? Because it really is a little bit steep for a very, very tiny bottle like this. But guys, I haven't even used, not even close to half. I'm about here. Remember, I put some product onto this thing, and if you look, I still have product left here. I didn't use that much product. I still have a lot of product left. Bear in mind that I did only do the half, and I still have another half to go, but a little bit does go a long way because of the slip. Like, your hands just glide through. If you have natural hair, you would definitely love this product because of the slip. Your hands are literally gliding through your hair. It is that amazing. I'm going to detangle the other half of my hair off camera because I don't think you guys want to see me do the exact same process. I just did this side on this side. Okay, then I'm gonna come back and close off this video and give you guys my final thoughts, final review. But for now, halfway through, y'all know I love this product. You should know by now I love this product. Okay, look at my hair. It looks so moisturized and so juicy. Like, there is no dryness. It's not feeling oily. It's still a bit dampish here, but this feels so good. Okay, that is it for my video. I am completely done. Both sides of my hair are detangled. This side literally took me about 30 minutes to do because I wasn't trying to do, you know, angles for the camera for you guys to see. This is how much shedding I have from having those braids in for 3 weeks and neglecting them for 3 weeks. This is absolutely nothing. I promise you guys, I shed way more than this, and I do attribute to the fact that the moisture that the product gave me, baby, that was good. Okay, that product is amazing. 10 out of 10 would recommend that you get that product, especially if you spend a lot of time detangling and you feel like your hair does that snap, crackle, and pop thing when you're trying to detangle your hair. That product will save you a lot of hair. It might not save you a lot of money, but it will definitely save you a lot of hair. Okay, that was quick and easy. Like, that was so quick and so easy, and my hair is fully detangled. I really do think the reason why my hair starts to feel tacky when it's dried up is just because I have a lot of dirt and product buildup. If you watched my previous video, you saw all the dandruff and the product buildup that I had on my hair. I think that mixed with the product is just making it all so tacky. But yeah guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I hope you guys do try out this product, and if you've tried it already, please let me know down below, how did you like it? Okay, this is going into my staples box right now. Right this very moment, this is staying in my staples. It ain't going nowhere because that was a breeze. Thank you guys for watching my video. Also, I didn't show you guys how much product I'm left with now that I'm done completely with the whole head of hair. It is about here, but I do still have okay, this is how I spill this thing. Focus here. Okay, but I still do have a lot of product in here, as you can see. I don't know why it's not moving. It's supposed to move. Maybe it's because it's cold. But I still do have a lot of product over here. But this is still pretty full. I think I can use this for another 4 or 5 detangling sessions before I need to replace it, which is pretty great for me. Okay, yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Product details will be down below of where you can get it and how much it costs. Without further ado, bye loves. I can't do the usual boy. So y'all just need to fade away. Okay, fade away now.